This custom 407 Cuddy by Intrepid Powerboats is kept in a state-of-the-art dry stack marina with a computer-controlled bridge crane that ensures delivery without human error, patiently waiting until she touches water.
Hello my friends, my name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and today we are on a 2018 407 Cuddy by Intrepid Powerboats. I'm going to walk you through it.
This fantastic Cuddy is powered with triple 350 Mercury outboard engines with top speeds in the upper 50 miles per hour and cruise speeds in the lower 40s. Starting aft, you have a fiberglass folding rear bench seat recessed into the transom wall with corner deck lockers for storage. Port storage has been modified to be a baitwell with light and blue inner liner. Below deck, you have a diesel generator to give you all the electrical power you need while underway. For convenience, you get a popular swing-in dive door with fold-out ladder, hot and cold water washdown, freshwater engine flush aft to starboard, a higher pressure freshwater washdown, raw water washdown, LED spreader lights, mirrored pull-out fiberglass steps to gunnel, and a windlass with anchor. The Helm gives you a hydraulic 4-inch platform for visibility adjustments, an electric up-down, forward-aft helm seat with footrests, and an impressive garmin package. This customer has maximized the real estate on the dashboard by installing dual 22-inch garmin screens. He also has autopilot, spotlight, compass, Fusion Bluetooth stereo with JL audio speakers, bow thruster, VHF radio, and vessel view by Mercury. Port of the console, you get a hideaway electric cooler. Starboard of the console, you have a rear-facing companion seat. Forward of the console, you have the spacious forward seating. The pull-out sun pad stores away with ease. Something unique about this Cuddy is its ladder-like support to the hardtop. The leveled steps have grooves for foot grip. Walking down into the cabin, you have forward settee for dining and sleeping. The filler cushion is removable, and with a touch of a button, the filler rises to convert to a table. Plenty of natural light enters this cabin. However, you get the blackout window blinds, tinted skylights, and partitioned curtains for privacy. This galley has all you need for overnight and hosting. At midship, you have a queen-size bed for comfortable trips out to sea. The head and separate shower are spacious and appreciated. Two couples will enjoy fun overnight getaways on this Intrepid powerboat. From its brilliant hull color, versatility, speed, and style, you have to admit she's built to amaze. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and I want to thank you for letting me walk you through this beautiful boat. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it.